Hey days, welcome back to my days. So today I'm going with my dad and my little brother with my aunt and my uncle to go to country where my father grew up. So come and spend the day with me. Or not, you can stay. Bye bye. I'm joking, if you wanna come with, that's fine. If you don't wanna come with.
This guy back, what?
Narcissistic, egotistical, somewhat good looking.
Yeah, cheers to somewhat good looking. Daddy literally just said, which is how with your laugh. Daddy literally just said he was an ugly person.
I'm not wrong, but that's the exact thing.
We have arrived at my auntie's place and we're picking her up so we can all go together. That's not her house, but that's a random person's house. I don't think I could manage to live this far out from the city. Too quiet. Too quiet. Oh, you come places with me and want me to spend money.
Oh, like a sweet one. Take away one. Sugar from one, you're still in the
Why is it violent? Why are you so bad-minded? Why you want my camera drop? We have arrived.
Like, you know the woman who goes up.
No?
Camera they don't so. And then music build up also boom. Go over this, boom, over this. Like, see?
Oh my god! What is that?
Nope.
You know, I'm getting real tired of this.
Where my grandmother plays. This is a place that Daddy's building up. It's improved, hasn't it?
That's my father, no?
Be very careful with them.
If you can't manage your life, you know.
Mr. God, you walk for me. I say I used to be young.
Whoa!
We're practically strangers. Take care now.
I don't want to be sad.
Come on in your comment.
I don't like some around.
Walking up the hill to get to the car so we can head home now. Why you always want a photo bomb?
You look small, you.
I'm not small, I'm fun size.
Yeah, nothing about your phone. Nothing about your phone. About your phone size. Look on her. Fat midget. Sure.
The only girl child now from there here fight me out.
Sure, sure.
It's me against everything.
Plywood now go there. Yeah, like plywood over to the plywood all in back at the farm.
Internet's pretty good for me.
Burger King, KFC. As I went here, I go in away again.